All right, on to a more pleasant subject, toenail fungus. It's one of the most pervasive problems around the world, actually.
If you're eating your oatmeal or waffles, I'm sorry. It can be embarrassing, too,
Yeah.
causing people to hide their feet. Melanie, you're here to talk about something that's helping people feel good about their feet again.
You know, it's a big problem, especially here in Florida. It's very common. In fact, one dermatology study found that almost 50% of doctor visits in the U.S. were related to fungus. While there are effective treatments for getting rid of them, keeping them at bay, there is a unique device that can do that. Florida is synonymous with strappy sandals and open-toed shoes. Isabella has been unable to wear some of her favorite pairs. For 5 years, she's battled toenail fungus.
It started with like a little itch, it didn't start really bad at first. Then as the years progressed, I didn't think much of it. I would put little medicine here and there, but then it eventually got worse.
There are probably 100 different things you can apply topically to nails, and the reason there's 100 because none of them work.
South Florida podiatrist Dr. Weinstein was able to clear the fungus through laser treatment. But Isabella was concerned about the condition coming back.
Once we get rid of the nail fungus with the laser, then we have to do a little bit of maintenance. And that means perhaps a topical on the nails themselves, more or less to act like a protective barrier to not get reinfected. But more importantly, we have to address the shoe, which is the environment that the toes sit in on a day-to-day basis.
That's where this comes in, a product called Steri shoe that emits an ultraviolet light that kills fungus or bacteria that's inside the shoe.
And it also helps with foot odor, because the bacteria in shoes is a contributing factor to foot odor. So people who have chronic odor, nothing like a Steri shoe to basically sterilize the inside of your shoe.
All you do is insert the device into closed-toe shoes and turn it on. It automatically shuts off after 45 minutes.
Ideally, it's recommended to use it every day after you've used those shoes. So when you put the shoe on the next morning, you have confidence knowing that you're not going to get reinfected from what might be breeding within your shoe.
It dries it all up in there, so I'm really happy with it.
Now, the shoe costs $129 for the pair. It is effective 99% of the time. Keeping your feet dry also very important, so be careful when you're walking in moist environments without shoes on. That's going to do it for the 7. Stand by, much more at 8, and it starts right now.